Are you sure about this? This is quite dangerous for a adventure.
Of course, this is a adventure that we were going in.
Yeah, about this lava death trap adventure. I'm afraid of lava, it's hot and dangerous.
Wait, if I bring us here so that means.
But I think we are going to stuck and die here.
Mozzolo, will you please just calm down already?
How could Gumjoke bring us here in the first place?
I'm so thirsty, because it is hot out there.
Me too, I'm so hungry, I guess I have to die of starvation.
Camazotes, how come you think of thirst when you ever died of dehydration? And you Erica, how come you think of food, when you ever survived and died of starvation?
Ooh, guys, I have to use a bathroom.
Well, pee your pants already.
Well, I have to figure it out something to get us out of here.
Would have been, if you hadn't bring us here to his deadly lava trap in the first place, Gumjoke.
Well, I'm sorry, I thought it's supposed to be an adventure.
Is that even a proper fact?
Okay, listen, this is entirely my fault, but we can do things about it. Wait, I have an idea.
What kind of idea, is it you bring us to his lava pit?
No, Kamazots have wings, right? Kamazots, can you use your wings to fly us out of here?
Yes, I can use my wings. Why?
Because you are a bat, remember? Now you can fly us out of here.
Good, the point is, if we get out of here and go home, I am gonna to kill you, so good.
See guys, the whole world is wide now.
Unbelievable.
See, I told you I can fly. So, how was that?
No, it was unadventurous and showing that I'm afraid of impeccable heights.